Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So, guys, we're a truck dealer in the very eastern side of the state, located in an area called the Quad Cities. We're actually located right on Highway 67, just 2 miles off of Interstate 80. Guys, so we sell an absolute ton of nice newer trucks. Most of our inventory is, I'd say, kind of expensive, but nice newer stuff. But hey, once in a while, because we sell such nice newer trucks, we get a honey of a trade. This truck right here is not something I would normally put on my lot, because when you find a truck that's, 13, 14 years old, usually it's shot, it's done, it's gone. But I'll tell you what, this one right here was traded in by a middle-aged guy that bought this thing with just 19,000 miles on it. And you talk about a clean, nice truck that's been well taken care of. It's unbelievable. So it's a 2010 Ford F-150 extended cab four-wheel drive with just a few extra miles on it. 230,000 miles on this thing, but listen to this thing, purring away. I'm telling you, this guy over-maintained this. Changed the oil every 5,000 miles. Anytime the Ford dealer told him it needed something, he did it. And it shows. Guys, the body's amazing shape. Let me give you the runaround, because when we're done with this thing, I'm going to sell this thing to you for $6,500. Yes, that's crazy. A full-size extended cab, four-wheel drive. I would call pretty darn close to rust-free, and it's ready to go. Beautiful truck, guys. Let's give you the walk around here. Alloy wheels. It's got Goodyear Wrangler tires. They're not new, but they're definitely not shot. You're going to get some miles out of those. Tubes. It's the XLT, so it's got power, everything. I'll show you this. Look inside this. Look at that. Not tore up at all. Carpets are in great shape. Everything works. The only light I saw on was a tire light. I don't know if that's a sensor, but all the tires are up and it dries out great. Underside, I just gotta show you this side first. Man, that's clean. That's clean. I don't see any rust. I don't know, those are all good. Bed cover, tow package, spraying bed liner. Beautiful truck. Got a little dinger right there, but that's nothing. It's running right now, not smoking or anything. It's a real cold January day. Man, look at the inside of this thing. Again, 2010, guys. This guy's owned it since 19,000 miles. Beautiful interior. Backseat doesn't look like anybody's been in it. I got the original books. Keys with 2 remotes. Tow package. Does have brake controller. That's a shift on the fly, four-wheel drive. Works great. Again, sync Bluetooth right there. Guys, this is a lot of truck. Look, I'm gonna open this up for you. Look how clean that is. I don't know about you, but I don't see any rust under those doors. All right, guys, I dare you to find a nicer truck for $6,500 anywhere. You're not gonna, so come to Teal Truck Center, THIEL trucks.com is our website. Tons of pictures on there. Again, Carfax certified, no accidents, all the service records. $6,495 only at tealtrucks.com. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. Till next time, have a good one.